This survey of systematic theology in 10 hours is a course that will introduce people to the range of the doctrines of the Christian faith, where we sort of walk through, one after the other, these glorious visions of God and of Christ and of the Spirit and of our being made in the image of God, but what sin has done and salvation and the church and last things. I mean, it's just this whole spectrum of glorious doctrines of the Christian faith. I've often thought of myself teaching these areas of the Christian faith like a tour guide at an art museum that takes people into one room and shows them these glorious paintings, and people marvel at them and they see the beauty and the artistry and the technique, and then the tour guide says, and now let's go to another room. Oh, really? Another room? With more paintings like this? Yes. So we go there and see those beautiful paintings, and so it goes. So really, this is just a glimpse of some of the artwork, as it were, some of the beauty and the glory that is manifest as God has revealed Himself to us, His own person and character, but also revealed His work in the world and His purposes and promises. So this is what we see. How can we benefit from this? Oh my, it strengthens us as Christians to have this truth to grasp and to count on for the whole of our lives. As Jesus said, you shall know the truth, and the truth shall set you free. It is liberating to live in the light of the truth that God has given, to have hope that we would not have, to have strength and courage we would not have, and to realize this is just the beginning of a whole life and eternity of growing in the knowledge of God. So I encourage you to taste and see how good God is and how kind He was to tell us these glorious truths about Himself.